Let's talk about the Bermuda Triangle. Because despite what late-night documentaries, ghost ships, and alien TikToks might suggest, the Bermuda Triangle is not some swirling portal of doom. At least, not at first. The Bermuda Triangle isn't an official place. No governing body recognizes it, no maritime map labels it, and no pilot is required to file extra paperwork when flying through it. The so-called triangle usually stretches between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, one of the most heavily traveled regions of ocean and airspace on Earth. Which matters. A lot. Because when millions of ships and planes pass through the same area every year, statistics alone guarantee incidents. Some vanish, some crash, some lose communication, and humans are extremely good at noticing patterns, even when they're coincidence. Now let's talk about the actual science that does make this region dangerous. First, weather. The Atlantic breeds fast-forming storms, sudden squalls, and massive hurricanes. Before modern forecasting, ships could sail into clear skies and hit chaos in minutes. Second, ocean currents. The Gulf Stream runs through the region like a liquid highway, moving faster than many ships can compensate for. Wreckage doesn't stay put. It gets scattered or carried far away, making recovery difficult and fueling the illusion of disappearance. Third, navigation errors. Older compasses could behave strangely due to magnetic variation, not supernatural, just poorly understood physics at the time. Add human error, fatigue, outdated maps, and you don't need anything paranormal to lose a vessel. So from a scientific standpoint, the Bermuda Triangle isn't cursed. It's busy, it's chaotic, and it punishes mistakes. Which brings us to the problem. Because the SCP Foundation doesn't care about legends, we care about outliers. Most incidents in the Bermuda Triangle are mundane, logged, explained, closed. But a small percentage, anomalously small, statistically stubborn, don't behave like accidents. Vessels reappear decades later with no corrosion. Aircraft land with fuel tanks full after reporting empty. Crews report missing time. Instruments return data that contradicts known physics. And in rare cases, ships arrive without crews, sealed from the inside. The Foundation doesn't label the Bermuda Triangle as a single anomaly. That would be sloppy. Instead, it's classified as a convergence zone, a geographic region where multiple low-level anomalies overlap. None powerful enough alone to breach the veil. Together, unpredictable, localized space-time distortions, temporally unstable weather patterns, entities that do not remain present long enough to be cataloged. And yes, objects that pass through the region and come back, changed. The Foundation maintains continuous surveillance, satellite masking, automated buoy networks. Civilian disappearances are attributed to storms, mechanical failure, or pilot error. The truth is far less cinematic and far more unsettling. Because the ocean doesn't need monsters to be dangerous, and when anomalies learn they can hide inside chaos, they do. So is the Bermuda Triangle a gateway? A curse? An alien trap? No, it's worse. It's a place where reality is slightly looser than it should be. Just enough for things to slip, just enough for people to vanish, and just enough that we can't ever fully seal it off. Which is why the Foundation doesn't avoid the Bermuda Triangle. They watch it, constantly.